Hey, what's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So the Apple CEO had some things to say about crypto and Bitcoin in particular. Apple, a very interesting company because obviously they are the largest by market cap on the New York Stock Exchange. But what if they dabbled in crypto? What if they did something big in the crypto industry? Well, their CEO really likes where Bitcoin and crypto is heading. So that's a good sign as Apple continues to sit on a pile of cash and can make so many different moves, whether it's with crypto or EVs but they just don't buy a lot of companies, at least not to this point. But it'll be interesting to see kind of how they perhaps enter the crypto realm. And we're going to get into that in this video real quick. We'll take a look at the overall crypto market cap at 1.76 trillion. Bitcoin is coming back up just a little bit over 39,000. Ethereum back up over 2,600 at the time of this recording. Cardano down there at 84 cents. Shiba Inu at the 2396 range. But this is the tweet that I want to unpack a little bit. Just in, Apple co-founder Steve Wozniak says Bitcoin is the only one that's pure gold mathematics. And we're going to dive into this a little bit deeper here. There's an interesting article out here on the aggregator that goes into more depth here. So he had some words of praise for Bitcoin in his recent interview with Business Insider, describing the largest cryptocurrency as pure gold mathematics. Now, with that being said, it says the legendary electronics engineer and computer programmer has a significantly less favorable view of the broader cryptocurrency industry. In the aforementioned interview, he pointed to the sheer number of cryptos that are being created on a daily basis, claiming that many crypto projects are ripoffs. And we know that to be true as well. I mean, all cryptocurrencies that are invented today and yesterday will not be here sometime in the future. We get that. There will be some winners, though, but most will not be here. I agree with that. Wozniak says that token creators try to lure buyers in with celebrity endorsements. There's so many cryptocurrencies that come out now. Everybody has a way to create a new one, and you have a celebrity star with it. It seems like they're just collecting a bunch of money from people who want to invest at the very earliest stage when it's worth pennies. Now, at the same time, he urged investors to approach startup founders with optimism since it's challenging to spot another Apple. He said they might be another Apple, and you just can't see it yet. There's no way to calculate it in a spreadsheet. I agree with this too. Going back to that point, there will be some big winners amid a lot of losers. As reported by you today, Wozniak called Bitcoin the most amazing mathematical miracle in his recent interview with Forbes Mexico. In October, however, he predicted that governments would end up banning Bitcoin. He says, trouble is that the government will never allow it to be out of their control. If it got to the point that everything was being done with crypto and it didn't pass through governments for observation and taxation and all of that, governments would just disallow it. So that's an interesting perspective as well. I do think it's harder to do that with something like Bitcoin. Maybe that's why he believes that Bitcoin is, the most mathematical, pure gold mathematics is what he said. There it is, pure gold mathematics. But it's interesting to see that Apple co-founder here, Steve Wozniak, is taking a liking to Bitcoin. Will Apple get more involved with Bitcoin? That'll be something to watch. There are some, people who think Apple could, really do huge things in a lot of spaces. And I agree. I mean, they just have so much cash on hand, so much power behind them. If they wanted to make an electric vehicle, let's say today, if they wanted to create their own cryptocurrency project today, it would probably be successful. But it'll be interesting to see how calculated they are in entering the crypto market here in the near distant future. So just thought this was an interesting approach. Let me know your thoughts about all this down below in the comments section about what Wozniak said about where you think Apple could be heading in terms of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. I Trust Capital. If you want to start a IRA today, link down below in the description, fund your account, get $100 from iTrust. This is where I'll be putting together for myself a crypto IRA built with, the likes of Engine, Algorand will be in there. I'm sure I'll have some Polygon and some Solana, as well as some Bitcoin, Ethereum, Decentraland, and Shiba Inu. That'll be my portfolio. I'll show you a little bit more about that when I set it up. We've already had a ton of people jump over and set one up. My link is down below in the description. Great partnership program here. And again, $100 is yours when you fund your account today with iTrust. Let me know what you think about Apple, Steve Wozniak, his comments about Bitcoin. Love hearing from you. Have a great one. See you in the next video. Peace.